hey, do you have inherited land that you want to sell? Or hey, are you sick of paying taxes on your land? Get an offer for it. All right. So it's not something they were specifically looking for in that moment, but you can catch their attention with it. They might be interested. Fill out your form, get a lead that way.
Mm-hmm.
He's got a big land wholesaling operation. I think he announced next year he's going for 10 million. He's crushing it in land, doing a lot of wholesaling, double closing.
Mike Harri, he is the founder of leadbids.com, and Mike has a degree in finance from the Technical University of Michigan. He has a background in mortgage, drop shipping. He's a serial entrepreneur, and now he has built lead-bids.com for us land investors. So leads go like everything resets at midnight unless you say hold this bid or type thing, or what was that part?
So that's for your campaign, for how many leads you want per day in your campaign. So that's to throttle your budget and your spending. So I'm bidding against other people for how much I'm willing to pay for a click on my ad. And then if I want more clicks, I need to bid higher than other people and have a higher budget. And so then if I do that, I'll get more clicks than the other guys that I'm competing against.
The Legends of Land Show.